And so on step 2, again, while we are in design view, we will rename the default ID primary key field to supplier ID. So just for field name, we'll just key in the word supplier in front of ID. And we're going to come over here and change the data type to short text. And step 3 tells us to add the following 10 fields to the new table in the order shown. And all of them should have the data type short text fields, except for initial contact, which will be a date time field. So just again, as you're keying company, category, address, city, state, and zip. And I'm just pressing my tab key. Oops, and go back. And the description, again, that's just optional. If you were to be emailing this database to someone and two of you were working on it, you may want to add a description field or some type of description. So again, just when you key in initial contact, this one is the date time. And so now I'm going to click back on from the Home tab in the Views section. I'm going to change this from Design View to Datasheet View. So anytime that you switch back to Datasheet View, it's going to tell you that you must first save the table. So just make sure that you click Yes to save the table. And then you will see the columns. And just like in Excel, when you move your mouse in between the columns, you can double left click just to adjust the column width. So that way you can see all of the field names. And step 4, it tells us to enter the records as shown in Figure 1-31 in the supplier table. Also tells us that for the first record, be sure to enter your first name in the contact first field and your last name in the contact last field. Also, it does give us a note that when entering field values that are shown on multiple lines in the figure, do not try to enter the values on multiple lines. The values are shown on multiple lines in this figure for page spacing purposes only.